Hey there, it is Caro, and in this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to make simple edits with the Google Slides app on your phone on the go to your Google Slides docs, most specifically your class newsletter or class website. If you don't have a digital class newsletter, I highly recommend it, and you can get mine for free. You'll just need to go to bit.ly/ see if I can get over here, free digital newsletter, and then that download will look like this. And then you'll go to page 3, click on this image, make your doc copy, and it will look like this. You can customize, make edits. I have a tutorial here for you if you need instructions on customizing and setting up your class newsletter. But in this video, we're going to talk about how you can edit your newsletter, make those quick little updates on the go when you can't get to your desktop, but you need to make changes. So I recommend, while you have it open on desktop or on your phone, that you star it, because it's going to be super easy to find in your documents on your phone in the Google Slides app. So make sure you star it right here. And then, of course, if you do not have the Google Slides app download on your phone, you want to do that. If you have this video open on desktop, you can just use your phone camera to scan the Android app version or iPhone. Or if not, you can just go to your browser on your phone and just Google the Google Slides app and find the one that you need, download, sign in with your Drive account. That's the same one that you use to download your newsletter or Smart Class website. And then we are ready to get started using the Google Slides app. So to find your document, right now I can see my newsletter right here because I have last modified selected. You may only have name, and it would be your documents in alphabetical order. You can search to find what you need, but the reason I said to star is because that is a quick way to get to it if you've been editing a lot of other documents in your Google Slides. In your drive and you're not seeing the doc you need right here, just tap on the hamburger icon, go to starred, and there you'll find anything that you starred really quickly. So we will click or tap on your document, and then you'll want to go ahead and double tap again to get into edit mode, where you can see if you have multiple slides, you'll see them down here. We only have one for this newsletter. But for those who may have Smart Class website, just so you know, down here, if you do a long press, then you would get other options like cut, copy, paste, trash, or you could select multiple slides, things like that. You could also just hold down and move the slides into different orders. Now, let's just talk about, most likely you're just going to want to do simple text edits, updating text. So what I recommend is always zooming in with your pointer finger and thumb first before you double tap into any text box. So let's say I want to change the date here. Then I will zoom in, then I'll double tap so I can get into there and change whatever I need to change. And then what I recommend before I zoom back out, because sometimes you can accidentally um, make more typing errors or anything like that when you try to zoom out and you don't basically save what you just did. So the check mark right there will help you save. Then you could zoom out. I like to sometimes tap it again where it deselects everything. So if you tap the check mark twice, it will deselect everything. That way I know that I'm not going to accidentally make more edits inside a text box that I had just selected. So once again, you just want to zoom in before you double tap, get in there and make some edits. You have your basic text toolbar right here, but you also, if you tap the letter A up here, could change fonts, colors, all that good stuff. Not things I'd particularly do on the phone app, but it seems like you can. They're giving you lots of options. You've got paragraph, You could edit the actual shape of your text box, all that good stuff. So I'll just tap anywhere else to get out of that and finish what that was going to say. And once again, I'm just going to tap the check mark, tap it again to deselect, and zoom back out. So I can, also select images, all that good stuff. You can insert images, which is something I do a lot. When I would have a student of the week, I would take a picture of them on my camera roll and then insert it into my doc. So all you'd have to do is tap the plus sign right here, and we're going to go to image. And then you could take the picture right there from your camera roll and it'll pop right into your doc. Or you could choose from photos, and that's going to allow you to access your camera roll and get a photo you have already taken. So that's really cool. If you want to update parents, maybe you have a page in your doc that just shows what you're doing, or a field trip or anything like that, then having the Google Slides app and taking pictures on your phone and inserting that way is going to be the quickest way to get those images into your doc without having to go to your desktop. So just trying to think if there's anything else you might want to know and do right here. As far as I know, that is it. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments and I would be happy to answer for you. I just definitely recommend using the Google Slides app, even if it's not for something like this. For morning work, I did this and I would have my morning work already updated from my bed in the morning. Before I even got out of my bed, I go ahead and put down what students are going to do as they walk in. Then when I get to the classroom, I just click on my Google Slides presentation link, and it's already there, and I didn't have to go to my desktop to make that update. So it's just something to keep in mind that you can do if you have this app on your phone and you get comfortable with it. It's really can be a lifesaver at times. I hope this was helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.